Let's talk about agents. I know ChatGPT is great, but at the end of the day, it is still a chatbot. It can answer questions, but it can't really get the work done. This is where AI agents come in. Think of them like travel agents, but for your digital tasks. An agent is capable of doing any of the following tasks. And this is possible because agents are dynamic, flexible, and capable of reasoning. And this is because an agent has three main components: tools, memory, and brain. Before we understand each component individually, I want to explain to you how do they work together. Let us try to understand this with a simple example. Say the user wants to order a pizza. Now, if this were a normal chatbot, it would just say, "Here are some pizza places near you." But the work is still yours. An agent is different. It just doesn't answer, it is going to complete the task for you. Now, how does it work? It usually works in a loop: observe, think, and act. Let's talk about observe first. The agent looks at the current situation. Which delivery apps are available? What is your saved address? What was your last order? Are there any discounts available today? Observe means collecting information. And now this gets something called context. And once it has context, the brain can think, the memory can help, and the tools can be used. And now, since it has all the context available, now it can decide what is the next best move. Which place to order from? What is the cheapest option? Are there any coupons available that it can apply? Now let's talk about the act step. You must be wondering, how can I agent access the delivery app, place an order, and also track the delivery? The answer is tools. But wait, what if the pizza that was selected is not available? Or there are no delivery partners available? Or the payment failed? The agent is not just gonna sit back. It will start the process again. It will start from observe again. Since the old context has changed, it needs to collect the context once more. Now, as a part of that context, it is going to know that this restaurant does not have delivery partners or this mode of payment is not going to work. And now, with the updated context, it's gonna move to the next step, that is think. And from the available context, it is gonna make the next best move. Choose another restaurant, retry later, use a different mode of payment, then is going to act again. Update the cart, select the new option, place the order. And if something breaks again, it can repeat the same cycle. That's why it's a loop. It keeps working until the task is completed. Let us talk about tools now. Tools are external capabilities connected to an agent. Think of the AI model as a brain. The brain can think and reason, but it still needs hands to work, right? Tools are those hands. For example, an API is a tool that lets the agent communicate with different applications. So instead of manually opening the delivery app, the agent is calling the delivery API directly, searching for different restaurants, reading the menus, checking prices, applying discounts, and placing the order. A DB is another tool. This allows it to store some information: past orders, addresses, preferences. Similarly, your browser, your calendar, all of these are tools. And this is what turns a chatbot into an agent. If this helped, please subscribe. We'll talk about agents in more depth in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.